What were our two strategies before? What were our two strategies that we've been using? Yep. Number one, collect like terms. Number two, simplify. Good. Now, when you have a look at this, we can do these things, but there's something else we have to do before we can collect the like terms. We have to expand. Right, good. So, let's take both sides and expand it. Let's do that. We can do this. The 5's got to say hello to the h and hello to the negative 3, minus 3.
Minus 15.
So, minus 15. Good. Okay. On the right-hand side, careful. 3 times 2h. So, it's going to be 6h minus 3. Well done. Okay. Now, hold on a second. After we expand, yeah, now we've got exactly what we've had in the previous question. Do you see what I mean? Hold on. Do you see what I mean? That so much about maths is converting problems that you don't know how to solve into ones you do know how to solve. And we can do this. What was the question, Alan? You sure? Alright, walk through this with me. Let's do the collecting of like terms. You've done this a few times. Let's see if we can do it faster. Instead of doing it one at a time, let's move the h's, subtract the h's, and get rid of the numbers. Okay? So, 5h over here and 6h over here. What should I do to both sides? I should subtract 6h. 6h. So when you subtract it from that, 5h minus 6h, how many h's will you have left?
Minus h.
Minus h. Good. Okay. Now, then you got these guys, right? Negative 15 here, negative 3 here. Which side do you want the numbers to be on?
Left.
Right.
I want it to be on the right. I want the letters here and the numbers over here. Right? Be careful. So, in other words, yeah, listen carefully. In other words, I want to get rid of this negative 15. How do I do it? If I'm minus, it'll be even more minus. Right? So I should plus, I should add to get rid of it. So I'll add 15. Exactly. I want 0 over here. Yeah. What's negative 3 plus 15? Negative 3.
That's positive 12.
Plus 15. That's positive 12, isn't it? Bam. What have we done? I've gotten down to this line. We've just done it all at once. Okay? And that's an okay thing to do. Can you see what happened? The 6h, this is what Jack was referring to before. The 6h I have subtracted from both sides. It became nothing over here, and it became minus h over here. And then I added 15 to both sides. It cancelled with that, and it became this when you take away 3. Okay. Now what do I have to do?
You have to get rid of the minus.
I have to get rid of the minus. And the way is, I can either divide or multiply both sides by negative 1.
H is the 1. 50, Peter, 50.
The negative over here will cancel, you just get h. The negative over here will just become negative 12. That's it.
There you go.